Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim with the student number 123241077. In this last self-reflection, I want to comment on how I was progressing and how the AI helped me to improve my speaking, conversation, and then my grammar. Okay, so like usual, I will start with the ChatGPT. I think out of all the tools I explored, this one became a primary resource for learning and practicing English in a way that felt both interactive and personal. And yeah, I use it almost daily to build vocabulary and then understand the grammar and how to improve my structure in the sentence. One of the most things I enjoyed was asking something specific like how do I politely disagree in English, or what's another way to ask someone about their weekend. What I got in return wasn't just a list of phrases, but it also explained of why certain expressions work better than others and in what context they would sound most natural. And then the second one is the small talk to me. Sorry. Okay, so the second one is the PAI. I realized that learning how to say the right word wasn't enough. So language is just more than just a grammar, but it's about how you feel when using it. So that's where the PAI, the second AI, came in. This AI completely had a different vibe than ChatGPT. It it wasn't only focused on the correcting me or teaching vocabulary, but instead it provided a space where I could reflect on my learning, express my emotion, and even just practice small talk in a relaxed environment. I used PAI during those moments where I felt overwhelmed or unsure about my progress. Sorry, and I talk about my fears of speaking in public, or the frustration I felt when I couldn't find the right words fast enough. And PAI just responded in a calm, non-judgmental, and then helping me feel more in control of my thought and reminding me that emotional well-being is an important part of communication too. And then lastly, the small talk to me. Small talk to me is the tool that help to act to real actually help me speak. It focuses oral practice, which is an area I've always struggled with. But at first, I was really hesitant to use it. I was self-conscious about my accent and didn't like hearing recordings of my own voice. But once I got over that initial discomfort, the app became a daily tool I relied on. I practiced answering common interview questions, introducing myself, and even describing my daily routine. Small talk to me also gave me immediate and useful feedback on pronunciation, speech clarity, filler words, and pacing. Um, for example, if I spoke too fast or mumbled certain words, it pointed those out and suggested ways to fix them. Okay, so I think that's it from me. This is the last self-reflection, and I hope you can understand what I feel after I using those AI. And yeah, I guess I see you in next occasion. Thank you.